Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add up cells in Excel. So let's start this my Excel. So I write here some number, okay. Then to add these cells, select the cell, then press the is equal to, then select the first cell, then use the shift plus sign and then select the second cell and press the enter key and you can easily add here the cell, okay. Second way I remove this, I add some amount. Okay. Then the second way you can use here to add up the cells. Select the cell, go to the home tab. In editing group, have a sum option. Just click on it and that's it. You can see automatically cell is selected and press the enter key. Okay. Third way, I just remove this. Select the cell, use the is equal to sum, use the tab, then select the all cell with the mouse, use the bracket closed and press the enter key. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can add up the cells in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe.